Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to make some Cajun shrimp and egg noodles and veggies dish. Oh yes, so stay tuned for the ingredients.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive, miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you have it, place on nothing. I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have it, place on nothing. I'll take you there.
Okay guys, here are the simple ingredients you will be needing for this delicious dish. I just used about a teaspoon of everything except for the turmeric, a half a teaspoon. And you'll need some butter, some shrimp, and some avocado oil. Let's get started. And don't forget the egg noodles. I chopped up some plum tomatoes and some green onions, and I forgot to show you need some red crushed pepper flakes. Let's add 1.5 tablespoons of butter and our avocado in the pan and get it heated up. We're going to cook for about 2 minutes or so on each side. Green onions in there. Add your shrimps back to the pan, okay, and give it a stir. Add your veggies to the pan and give it a nice stir. And then we're going to bring this up to a nice simmer, and then I am going to add our noodles. Voila. There you have it guys, some delicious egg noodles and shrimps with veggies. Oh yes, let's get plated up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up and share me out to your family and friends. And as I always say, I love you, stay blessed, and peace out.